Man, it is cold as hell this morning. It was 95 degrees 2 days ago, and I wake up this morning, it's 55 degrees.
Really, nigga?
Man, you gotta be kidding me, man. I was not ready for this, but you know what? It is coming to the fall time, and so you know I should have been expecting it. But God, is it cold this morning? You see, I got my sweater on. I got to be prepared out here today, man. And I'm doing these shopping delivers, so and these Instacart orders, so hopefully I can be inside these stores a little bit more and less running in and out of the car. Yes sir, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Dashing Trader, and I hope you're having a great day. Hope you're out there optimizing and maximizing, making that money. What time is it? It's 8:25 in the morning, look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and hit Dash now. Yeah, we can go until 9:30 a.m. we gonna do that. I got my hot bag, red card, enough gas, everything ready to go. Yes sir, we in there. All right, so we're gonna wait for an order on DoorDash. And in the meantime, bow, I'm on 2 phones, quit playing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we 2 phoning it today. So I got Instacart running on this phone right here. What's this, 28 items for, damn, 25 miles? Hell to the north. That's crazy, I can't do that. We just gonna leave that alone. We're gonna leave that right there. But that's what we got going this morning, so we're gonna see what we get first on DoorDash or Instacart. And while we at it, you know what? Let's go ahead and pop on Uber too while we at it. Let's go ahead and get that one popping too. So we got 3 apps going, DoorDash, Uber, and Instacart. And we're gonna see what we're gonna get first. I'm finna make some money all day today because I got some things I got to do. So let's get ready. We finally got our first order of the day. We got us a little Starbucks order. Who is that? Wendy wanted some Starbucks in the morning, so we gonna go ahead and hook her up. So we finna head on over to Starbucks and get it done. Oh, look at that cute dog. He is so cute. Got our first DoorDash order. What's that? $6.50 for 3 miles. Let's do it. The things you see while door dashing, man, I'll tell you. That was a cute dog, but why would you leave him in the back of the truck like that? I mean, he must be well trained because he just sat there. He didn't hop off and run away. So, you know, maybe he know he's gonna get some food if he stay there and be good, be a good boy. There is literally no parking. Ooh, but I am all the way in the back. Supposed to be ready by 8:59. Trying to get like at least 4 orders during this first hour if I can. Smells good. Thank you. Don't mind doing a couple deliveries this way while the traffic's not too heavy. But once that traffic picks up, it's gonna be no go. Cause this right here is gonna be all dead time. Waiting in this construction zone. Delivery complete. I handed it to the customer. Let's see, $7.50. So $1.50 hidden tip on that one. Customer tip $5. Not bad. Look at that, DoorDash trying to keep these wheels rolling. $6.50 for what's that, 2.8 miles? Let's do it all day long. Ooh, that Chick-fil-A parking lot is empty. It ain't nobody here. Look at that, I hope they even, I don't even know if they open yet. Yeah, they open.
Yes, sir.
Inside. So let's go ahead and get our order. Alrighty, we got that one done. Let's see what we get. $7, not bad. $6.50 what was shown, $7 what we got, $4.50 on the tip. Let's do it. We got our next order. We got $10.25 for 7.6 miles. High V meal time. It looks like it might be a banger. 8 items. I'm gonna go ahead and accept that. Look at this. $3.75 for 9 miles. No sir. Straight to the trash can for that one. We don't sir, we do not play that. No. First hour we got 3 DoorDash orders done and 1 Uber to bring our hourly total to $27 an hour. Not bad. I was not expecting that for the morning time. So now that it's almost 10 o'clock, things should really start picking up for this breakfast time. Both of these for Heather? Yep. Awesome, thank you. See what we got. $10.25 what we're showing. All right, $11.50 with a $9 tip. I like it. Let's do it. Next order of the morning, we got $5.75 for 5 miles, but that's because I'm getting off the highway. It's not really 5 miles. But they want 3 items at Bed Bath & Beyond. They want it by 11:12. We got them. My dash finna end like at 10:30, so it was kind of important that I pick something up, keep the wheels rolling, and then I'm right back on the schedule at 11. Let's go. You know?
Yeah, something new, right?
Yep.
And just gonna ask for a phone number there for our rewards program.
Alrighty, awesome.
Seat in the bag, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Yes, sir. Got that shopping done. Took me only 7 minutes. And while I was in there, I scooped up a little $7 McDonald's order right here on Uber. So I got 22 minutes to deliver this shopping delivery from Bed Bath & Beyond. And the drop-off's only a mile away. So thanks to me shopping so fast, that allows me time to slide over to McDonald's and pick up this Uber Eats order. Got $20.99 for 9 miles. Not bad miles to money ratio. At Hy-Vee. Ooh, that's going all the way across town, man. I don't know if I'm trying to do that for 20 bucks. Let's see what they got. I don't know. We're gonna check back if I decide to do it. The key to being successful at DoorDash is having a positive attitude. Oh, the day started off kind of slow. Now things are starting to pick up. So make sure you stay positive out there. Sometimes it be slow. You know, you might have to take, you know, a small order to get you on the board, but get on the board, get them wheels rolling, and get to making that money and stay positive out there, man. Alrighty, Dashers, it's a perfect example of keeping the wheels rolling. We got $5.50 for 5 miles. Normally I wouldn't take that, but I'm heading back that way anyway, so you can knock a couple of those miles off. I'd really call that from the distance from the pickup to the drop off, that's really probably about 2 miles, maybe even less. So we're gonna accept that, we're gonna get it done, and that keeps the wheels rolling. 9 times out of 10, this is a low tip order, not a no tip, but maybe a $2 or $3 tip. But for me, it keeps the wheels rolling. For somebody who already sitting over there, maybe they want to wait for something better. And sometimes I am that person who waiting for something better. But for right now, it's still early. I'm keeping the wheels rolling, making sure I can attain my desired hourly wage. And that's what's important. Got it dropped off, no issue. See what we got. Oh yeah, $5.50. What's that, a $2 tip? Yep, just like I suspected. A couple declines on that one. No worries though, it kept my wheels rolling, so it was no worries for me. Let's see if Dennis's order is ready. Know your market, look at that. That's the add-on I knew they was gonna send me now. The miles to money ratio ain't perfect, $6 for 4 miles, but it's a possibility for a hidden tip, so let's get it done. Look at that window service. I appreciate it.
Oh yeah.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Look at that. Didn't even have to get out the car, man. That's what I call great service right there. $6.98 for 3 miles. Not bad, but can't do it right now. Jalen, awesome, thank you. Here you are, alrighty, let's confirm that. See what we got. Okay, $6. 6 is what was shown, 6 what we got. On to the next one. It's for you.
What happened?
1509. Hayden. This customer put in the wrong address, so he moved and forgot to update his address. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and be a nice guy this time. I'm gonna bring him his food because he ain't that far away. But what you should do is you should call support, you know, and get a couple extra dollars. But I'm not gonna be petty today. I'm just gonna deliver it to him since it ain't that far. But normally I would have dropped it where it's supposed to go, call support, and I would have made them pay me some extra money to bring it over here. So look at this. Got a whole bunch of construction going on over here. Had to take the back way. Uh-oh. Is that the front? Okay, maybe I can go right through here. Wow, look at that.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you so much. Yeah, that well, not the best order ever, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Keeps the wheels rolling. We got $7.50 for 6.5 miles. If Agua Fresh, so let's go ahead and slide over and get her done. One thing you gotta keep in mind when parking downtown, parking fucking sucks. Look at this shit. Luckily I found one. So beautiful downtown, man. Just look at this. Who cannot love that? I like walking downtown, it's fun. So I've been asking all my customers today to hit me with a 5-star rating, trying to get that customer rating up so I can go for Top Dasher next month. See if I can get some of these good orders. Hopefully it works out. Thank you. Yeah. You too, thank you. $7.50 what was shown, $7.50 what we got. $5 tip on that one. And she said she's gonna hook me up with a 5-star rating, so let's get it.
Order up.
Yes, sir. You know I love it when they ready to go. I stepped in there. That order was already ready. Didn't even have to wait for it. $7.75 for 3 miles. Possibility for a hidden tip. Let's get it done. For next order, looks like we're gonna be checking in at Firehouse Subs. We got $9.03 for, that says 7.6 miles, but that's because I was really far away. But I delivered a DoorDash, and now that put me right over here in the area. So now we're gonna pick up this Firehouse Subs, and we're gonna go ahead and get it done. Alrighty, got that order dropped off. Let's see what we got. $7.75 what was shown. Woo! $9.75. What's that, a $6 tip? Man, I'll take it. Thank you. All right, looks like I'm on a continual pause, so I will be opening my dash back up because I am not trying to get kicked off the schedule. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and end my dash because I don't want no trash. And if it's really that busy, I'll be able to get back on. So, can't get back on right now, but I will get back on later. I got an Uber to drop off. Let's get it. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I've been working for approximately 4 hours. I turned the apps on at 8:30. Got my first delivery at 9. And I'm closing it up. My active time is 2 hours for my first half on DoorDash and another 2 hours. So we have a total active time of 4 hours. And that's all I count because that's the time that I'm actually working. I've been out for about 5 hours working for 4, and in those 4 hours I was able to make 95 bucks, and that's without all my tips coming through on Uber. So it's pretty much going for sure go up to 100. So to make 100 bucks in 4 hours, that's an easy 25 bucks an hour in the daytime. So not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and take a break. If you're enjoying these videos and you want to support me, feel free to hit that like button, and the subscribe goes a long way. And if you want to get notified when I drop new videos, make sure you hit that little bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.